दुनिया में अगर आपका दिल में जोश, उमंग, सपना और मेहनत है तो आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता है। फर्स्ट थिंग, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, अनुशासन। जहां हम रहते थे इसमें बिलो 6 डिग्री तक टेम्परेचर नीचे चले जाते थे। शाम को 1 गिलास पानी रखता तो सुबह बिल्कुल आइस बर्फ बन जाते थे। फिर भी सुबह उठने के लिए अपना आपको थप्पड़ मार करके अपना को पानी पी करके डिसिप्लिन अपना बनाया। When I was 14-year-old boy from a remote village called Hong village in Arunachal Pradesh, I got a second rank highest in the state service with a sweets in my hand. I went to give this sweet to one of my elder from my community. Very mockingly he said, "You are from our student? चलो अच्छा है, कुछ बाबू वबू बन जाएगा." It really touched my heart. That was the start of my journey of life. Am I really useless being an art student? Hello friend, I am Robin Hibu. I am IPS officer of UT Kader, now posted in Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. It had a long struggle from my remote village where we had no privilege of electricity or light or even water. We had to walk almost 10 kilometers to reach our school. But that did not deter my dream to be somebody in life. I think that made a whole of a difference with certain self-determination from core of your heart. And my dear young friends, I'll talk to you about today, in spite of your vast source of information through internet, through social media, why our youth कहीं न कहीं खो गए, अपना मंजिल तक नहीं पहुंच पाते, क्या कारण है, इसका बारे में हम आपको बात करेंगे। I was almost virtually in a remote village, started my school in a कस्तूरबा गांधी आश्रम, जहाँ पे एक ही टीचर हो, उसमें जो एक मैडम थी, वो क्लास 1 से लेकर क्लास 8 तक हम वहीं पर हैं। अपना चप्पल और जूता क्लास 9 में मैंने पहनना शुरू किया। मेरे पिताजी खेती करते थे, लकड़ी काटते थे, पैसे नहीं होते थे। हम तो सपना भी नहीं देख सकते दिल्ली में एक बार आके भी देखे या कहीं बाहर जाए। इस मुसीबत में कहीं ना कहीं मेरी माँ ने मुझे जोश बढ़ाया। बेटे, अगर वो हमेशा बोलता था कि दुनिया में अगर आपका दिल में जोश, उमंग, सपना और मेहनत है तो आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता है। शुरू में विश्वास नहीं किया ये क्या होता है, लेकिन जब मैं अपना पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल जब मैं दिल लगाया, जब मुझे क्लास में फर्स्ट आने लगा, तब मुझे महसूस हुआ कि हाँ, तो मुझे टीचर भी मुझे गले लगाने लग गया, दोस्तों के बीच में भी मैं बड़ा पॉपुलर हो गया। फिर उसके बाद में सब गांव वाले भी बोले ये लड़का तो अच्छा पढ़ने में ठीक ठाक पढ़ते जा रहा है, आगे में कुछ करेंगे। वन ऑफ द वेरी वेरी इमोटिव real life struggle was when I was at JNU. At that time, we had to go out for our research work. And one of the place I had to go there every day for my research work was in Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Library in New Delhi. So most of our students used to go there. And me too also, with help of 615, our JNU bus, we used to reach there. And I used to carry a 3 pieces of bread, 1 boiled egg, and red jam on my small plastic cover, hide it on my bag, and carry it with me along with that. During the break time, all other friends, most of them were lucky enough to be born with a better family. So they used to go out, have a pizza, this, that during the break time. But I couldn't afford, so I used to stay back in the corner of that library and just silently eat my few pieces of bread with that 1 egg with a bottle of water. It became hot at that time because of weather was very hot during the summer. So one day, the librarian in charge for that memorial in the Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial in New Delhi, he saw me that eating a piece of bread in the last corner behind the table. He asked me, "Bete, what happened? You are not going out?" I was feeling shy. Others are eating pizza, this, that. I'm eating that 3 pieces of bread with that was become very cold. He was so, I would say, not impressed grace or whatever I may call it. He was so empathetic towards me. बोला कि बेटे, from today onward, no need to come here. I'll give all the books, whatever you want, so that you can study, save your time, study in your room at the JNU and do your what is called research work. I was really moved, and I can say that still, if you are a genuine hard worker, wherever you are, if you struggle, there are still good people who will help you. And those that Mr. Sarma, who when after becoming an IPS, the first suite I ran to his that memorial to give him the first suite after becoming IPS officers. To my very shocking news that he was no more. He had passed away just 2 weeks back. When I came to Delhi in the train in Brahmaputra Mail in seat number 17 S5 bogie. In the train, I had a reserved ticket of course in the second class, 17 number seat. Few of the very 7-footer people, of course from uniform service, they all came. Bahadur, tum yahan hai, tum udhar baitho. They just threw away my luggage near the bathroom. I fought back. I said, I have a reserved ticket. How I do it? They didn't listen. It was really most painful. Are they doing it because I look different? But somewhere or other, I thought I'll fight back. Good thought took over me, saying, no, don't fight back. You be somebody in life. Do not let this thing happen. I reached with that feeling of pain in my whole night sitting nearby a bathroom. In Delhi, when I landed there, one Port Belly policeman was asking, Bahadur, kahan jana hai? When I asked him which bus I should take to reach to the Chanakyapuri of Arunachal Bhavan. He looked me from top to down and said, kahan se aaye, udhar dekh lo. I mean, then I realized how your communication skills can make other people easy. Be like a bee. मक्खी जो होते हैं ना, हर फूल में जा करके अपना वो हनी ड्रॉ करके अपना घर बसा लेता है. मेरा मानना है, आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं नौजवानों, फर्स्ट थिंग सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, अनुशासन. जहां हम रहते थे इसमें बिलो 6 डिग्री तक टेम्परेचर नीचे चले जाते थे. शाम को 1 गिलास पानी रखता तो सुबह बिल्कुल वो आइस बर्फ बन जाते थे. फिर भी सुबह उठने के लिए अपना आपको थप्पड़ मार करके अपना को पानी पी करके डिसिप्लिन अपना बनाए. और आज अगर मैं कुछ राष्ट्रपति भवन तक अगर मैं पहुंच पाया, आईपीएस ऑफिसर बना है, तो कारण सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. दैट इज द फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट. अगर आप में कुछ भी सपना देखे, अगर आप इसमें सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन नहीं है तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएगा. जैसे घोड़े को आप कुएं के पास ले जा सकता है, लेकिन घोड़े तब तक पानी नहीं पिएगा जब तक वो उसका मन में प्यास की भावना ना आए. So I believe, young men and boys and girls, wherever you go, always remember what John F. Kennedy has said. Ask yourself what you can do for your country. After all, who is country? It's you and me. We all can make a difference. So it's time for you to think over, time for you to go back, look into the glass and ask yourself, after 3 years or 5, where I will be. You'll get the answer. Use your time properly. Be focused like an Arjun. I did not tell that story. Let the whole world go to hell. Defer your gratification, be it a boyfriend, be it internet addiction, be it going out, be it your all kind of activities, so and so forth. Then nobody can stop you. Jai Hind. Thank you.